Genuine Bobcat bucket teeth deliver ideal strength for your job and your bucket, enabling you to work hard and count on long life with lower operating costs. I'm Ryan Saunders with Bobcat. Let's talk about Bobcat bucket teeth and all the different options you have when adding or replacing teeth on your loader or excavator bucket. Bobcat offers a variety of different teeth to match your unique work requirements and performance demands. So, how do you choose? And how do you know when it's time to change or replace your bucket teeth? First, let's show you how to inspect the condition of your teeth. The time and frequency of tooth replacement depends on the application you're in and the type of soil and material you handle. When you begin to see a blunt edge on the teeth, or if the teeth are simply not performing at their typical level, it's time to replace. It's a good idea to inspect the tooth edge from time to time, especially if you work in abrasive or rocky soils. Now let's talk about all the different tooth options you have for your Bobcat bucket. We'll start with two of our most popular teeth for multi-purpose work: the standard tooth and the longer tooth. The standard tooth is the most versatile option in the Bobcat lineup. It's approximately 4.5 inches long, giving it great multi-purpose utility and general duty functionality. Standard teeth are ideal for most general purpose digging and excavating ground engagement applications. It's available for both excavator and loader buckets. The longer forged tooth is approximately 5.5 inches in length, or 1 inch longer than the standard tooth. Both of these teeth increase digging performance thanks to their shape and length, which allows your bucket to pierce hard materials with ease. Next up, Bobcat offers a couple of options that give you maximum penetration for hard digging tasks. This is the tiger tooth. This style of tooth has a sharp, narrow, and pointed shape that is best used in severe digging applications, such as tightly compacted soils, hard pan, clay, and frost. They are available for excavator or loader buckets. The twin tiger tooth we have here is installed at each end of the bucket and cuts a path for each bucket side. 2 are required per bucket, and they're designed for penetrating frozen ground, shale, or hard pan. And when the outside point is worn, it can be reversed to the other side of the bucket for extended tooth life. Tiger teeth and twin tiger teeth can be used together for superior penetration of hard or frozen surfaces. If you're tackling scraping, cleaning, or clearing tasks, look to the wider edge tooth. It's 5.5 inches long and 4 inches wide. And that extra width adds efficiency for those applications where you skim the ground and gather up material. It also helps to protect and extend the life of the bucket's side and front edges. After choosing your bucket teeth, you'll need a few assembly parts to give your bucket its bite. Tooth assembly includes a shank that is welded or bolted to the bucket cutting edge, and a pin holds the teeth to the shank. If you're purchasing bolt-on teeth, you'll need 2 nuts and bolts to connect each shank to the bucket, and a flex pin to hold the tooth on the shank. For weld-on shanks, a roll pin is used to hold the tooth to the shank. To learn more, talk to your local Bobcat dealer or visit bobcat.com.